American coaster enthusiasts, are you ready for the latest and greatest new roller coaster out there? Six Flags Fiesta Texas has brought us Dr. Diabolical Cliffhanger, and it is the first dive coaster in Texas. A new dive coaster for us all to experience. I know we love those thrills. We love the smoothness of one of these great rides, and I'm here. I am Elizabeth Ringas, your communications director. I'm here with Jeff from Six Flags Fiesta Texas. He might be a familiar face to some of you.
Maybe just a few.
Just a few. We're going to take a ride together and let you experience this great roller coaster, but I hope you'll come out to Six Flags Fiesta Texas and see what it's brought to the park. You know, Jeff, one thing that stands out to me about what's different about this is you just built a roller coaster in the middle of an amusement park while you continue to operate.
It is our new signature attraction, and we were going to find a way to get it done. And in true Six Flags Fiesta Texas fashion, if we're going to build a dive coaster, it's going to be the biggest and the best, the only in Texas, and the world's steepest drop for a dive coaster.
That's it. So 95 degrees down. So let's take a ride on this together.
Let's do it. I'm ready. Here we go. Are you ready for this, Elizabeth?
I am, and y'all, I love bringing this to you because what's different about this is, first of all, you're going to notice right when you hit the lift hill, this lift hill is very speedy, taking you to the top. And when I say that we're in the middle of the park, the midway of Fiesta Texas surrounds this ride. And so you're looking at our Rattler, everybody's walking by, there's going to be an energy that's felt everywhere in the park as this ride starts dropping guests.
Every one of our coasters is unique in some way, and this one is now the new signature view for the park down below. It really is spectacular. Here we are 150 feet up in the air already, just like that.
Definitely. So we're 150 feet up. We take in the views of the park, and one of my favorite things here is the quarry wall. It's so distinctive, it's gorgeous, and as they ease us out over, we're going to take a look, but we are going to come to a complete stop for 4 seconds as we take in this greater than vertical drop, 95 degrees. We are plunging 150 feet into the first. It's an inlet loop right off the drop, and it's a 270-degree roll, and we get such great hang time there, don't we?
You do. That's awesome. I love the way you come out of it to this mid-course break where you just get a moment to catch your breath before we drop 75 feet again, nearly vertically.
Yes, this is just a great moment to catch your breath, but it's not going to be quiet like this normally, because normally Dr. Diabolical is going to be calling us out because she wants to capture our screams to power her menacing plans. We come through here and into the airtime hill. What a great addition to a dive coaster. I love that. But then into this high-speed spiral, that is where I really feel the power of this machine.
Yeah, the G-force really comes out in the high-speed spiral at the end, but the way you go from that airtime hill into the spiral, it really is the perfect combination of elements.
It is. I really enjoy that. Second half is really the unique elements that this dive coaster is going to bring for enthusiasts to check it out.
Absolutely.
Yes. And 52 inches to ride, so it's going to be that you're dreaming of this till you're a little bit older, and really fun addition here to the park. A great thrill for our coaster enthusiasts and for everyone who just loves a great roller coaster.
Absolutely. We can't wait to see all our friends from ACE come out and visit us. Make sure you stop and say hi, but we're looking forward to having you out to experience Dr. Diabolical's Cliffhanger for yourself.
Yes. So y'all, check it out, have fun, and enjoy riding.